Little Oreo. She's very confused by the snowdrifts outside. She sits and stares at the windows all day long and then rolls around like a little fat girl. Look at that little fat girl. Oh, and roll. And roll. You want to roll again? Are you done for the day? Oh, no, roll. Ah! What's out there? What's out there? Oreo. That's what you're gonna do all day? Mama gets a snow day and this is what she gets to watch. What's out there with that snow? You've been staring at it for days. You just don't know. And so you give up and roll. You're an embarrassment. Look at you.